This material good. It's easy to get clean. Take it to the shoe man. They can brush the suede down for you. That's no problem. Welcome back. We on another edition of Road to Riches. On the road to riches, where we getting on this health, wealth, and abundance mindset. We getting all these things right, but you know it's another day. It's Shoe Saturday. You know what we here to do on Saturdays. We here to get fly, hop on the plane, go state to state, coast to coast. You know how we do. We in on the Saturday. So yeah, we got a special shoe for you today. I think these came in. Let's see what we got. Looking like we going with the Yeezy. We coming with the Yeezys. Y'all gotta let me know in the comment. We messing with Adidas since they dropped Yeezy. I don't know what we doing to it. We messing with Adidas. Y'all let me know in the comments. But here a pair of Yeezys. I ain't never worn. Let's take them out. Let's get into it. Okay. Might be something right here. Let's get this out the way. Let me get my trash can here though, just in case though. We can never put the trash can past nothing. I don't care how much they cost. You can't put the trash can past nothing. I like these though. I had another pair like the light gray kind. I think. I don't know. We have to get the price tag. You're gonna have to bring the price up on it. I think I paid, I don't know, in between $300 or $400 for them. Me and my buddy, we was in LA. He bought like the pink purple pair and he peer pressured me into buying these pairs. So this was a pressure buy, but I think I always wanted these. I'm not sure though. I like them though. These are black edition Yeezy 500s. Are we messing with Yeezy? Before I put these on, are we messing with Yeezy and Adidas? Y'all let me know in the comments. For sure, I don't know. They dropped my boy Yeezy. He been one of the flyest in the game for a long time, so y'all gotta let me know. Is we messing with Adidas? If we messing with Adidas, I'ma wear them. If we messing with Yeezy, I'ma wear them. If we ain't messing with Adidas, they gotta go. Yeah, so y'all let me know. Let's get into it though. The style, I like this style. The color, a good neutral color. You can wear this with a lot. If you really know how to dress, you can dress this up or dress it down any different way. It's a neutral, good neutral black. It looked vintage and worn, kind of I like it about that. It looked like somebody already worn, but they brand new. Yeah, so I like that. The style on the bottom, they like alien feet. They look kind of like the Kobe Bryant. When Kobe Bryant used to be with Adidas, he had a shoe that had a similar bottom, kind of like the Crazy 8. So yeah, I'm rocking with it. The mesh insole, leather on them. The details really fire on this. I like this all the way around. These little alien predator feet shoes. For sure, I'm rocking with them. Laced up clean. That's a good clean neutral. Gray, dark gray, blackish look to them. So yeah. Yeah, I had a pair of these already. They comfortable. When I wore them, they fit my foot pretty good. They pretty comfortable. Yeezy, he does a good job on comfort with Adidas. I can't lie. Most of the Yeezys that I've had have all been comfortable. They fit good. Yeah. You gotta come with it. Well, when you putting the Yeezys on, you gotta come with your fit. You gotta have your fit together when you dressing. You know, Ye can dress. You gotta come with that fashion when you put in the Yeezy. There's so many different outfits. You can dress this up, in or out. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. So you gotta come with a fit on when you rocking the Yeezys. You know how it go. So yeah, that's what it is. The durability, they hold up pretty good. They can take a beating. This material good. It's easy to get clean. Take it to the shoe man. They can brush the suede down for you. That's no problem. But yeah, back to comfort, man. These are a good, comfortable shoe. Just gotta put a fit on with it. Let me get y'all a rating. What y'all think in the comments? Y'all let me know, is we rocking with Adidas or we cutting them off? You gotta let me know before I put these on. But these, right now, if we rocking with Ye, I'm rocking with these though. It's a good solid shoe. You can't, a casual weekend shoe. These definitely will make the suitcase with me. Let's put the trash can away. They'll make the suitcase with me. I'll take these on the road with me. But y'all gotta let me know. If we rocking with them, I gotta give them away. If we ain't messing with Adidas, I gotta give these away. So y'all let me know down in the comments what we're gonna do with these shoes. But right now, let me see. I give these a 9 out of 10. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all give. I give these a 9 out of 10 easy. Yeah, it's a 9 out of 10 on the Yeezys for sure. But y'all let me know what y'all think about them. Give me the reviews. We messing with Ye, we not. Give me y'all rating 1 out of 10 down below in the comments. Let me know if these are fire shoes. We go.